Today's Monday, April 4th, 4/4/16. It's 4 square day. Let's take a look at oil and stocks again. Looks like over the past week things have changed a little bit. Now we don't know if this is a long-term thing or just a blip, but take a look at this chart on Technician. We have the S&P ETF in black, the USO oil ETF in orange, and underneath is a correlation chart. This is a 10-day correlation. It's pretty short. We usually don't use it quite that short, but it really punctuates what changed here. I mean, you could see where the divergence started here. Stocks heading higher, oil heading lower. And even if you draw a trend line here in oil, you could see that oil has actually broken down while stocks have not and gone on to, I guess, new highs for the year. Anyway, correlation now negative. It's a 10-day correlation. Again, it's shorter than most people use. Let's take a look a little further back in time as oil and stocks trade together. And you can see that it dipped below the zero level end of November, early December, but nothing happened. Here, a really big dip below. So if you were following oil and looking to sell stocks, obviously you got burned there. But look where we are here. Divergence happening in the middle of this rally off the low. Similar situation here. Divergence happening, and I don't know if it's quite the middle of the rally off that low. So, I'm not going to make a big deal out of it, but this very short-term correlation has obviously changed. Now, of course, I don't know if it's going to get back on track, but just using Technician here, I think there's a pretty interesting way to look at this kind of relationship, especially with this short-term type correlation. Now, if we did a longer-term view, we'd see it's still holding up pretty nicely. But short term, keep your eyes open. Who knows, maybe things are changing.